What's up guys, this is Oleg with Joe's Gaming Electronics here with the PS4 Pro video. This video is about the PS4 power replacement. If your PS4 is going out, doesn't want to power on, the issue could be this power supply. This is what the power supply looks like. A lot of times dust builds up in here, or if you live in a super humid environment, it'll corrode the board in here. So this is how you replace it. The tools you'll need are a T8. We just have the electric version and just your noggin. All our tools are linked down in the description. Let's start with the video. First thing you want to do is remove the top casing of the PS4. You simply press up in the middle on the left side and right side. From here, you flip it over to the back and you flip it over on the back and you have 3 different screws. There's 1, 2, and there's one right under this clip, so we're going to remove this. Gently press and lift up. Then you have the screw. Set these aside. Here you lay it flat on the ground and you lift up the left side as well as the right. From here you gently lift the center of it and you pull it out. From here you have 2 T8 screws right here. These are the screws that are holding the power supply down, so we're gonna have to remove these 2. From here, we flip it back over to the top and remove all 5 of the TA screws. Just doesn't want it to come out. Just throw that. From here, we simply pick up one side of it, as well as the other side of it. Lift it again. And we just gently lift up. Don't lift up all the way because there is this wire, so we need to remove this wire. You just gently lift up. I'll show you guys. Just gently lift up. It pops out just like that. We then get our new power supply. And we plug it back in. It simply just pops back in, just like so, and then just set it down carefully, just like that, and gently press. From here we get the metal piece, put it back in. And then we'll put all the T8 screws back in. From here we then flip it back over to the other side. We're going to put these 2 screws back in. Once we do that, we're ready for the bottom plastic piece of the PS4. We simply just put it on here, just like so. Slide it forward. Make sure these little clips sit in nicely and just clip it in. Once that's done, you can put the 3 black screws back in. From here, we put the black little plastic piece back in. It just slides in like that till you hear a click. Flip it over. Grab the top piece, top plastic piece, slide it from the back forward, and simply clip it in. That is how you swap out a PS4 Pro power supply. This is Joe's Gaming and Electronics. All of our parts and tools are found in the link in the description. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys in the next one.